Teki video pasal kemarin ina ban peit graphical method deka ni kadeka exercise 3.2 jong substitution method. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is Rs 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is Rs 155. What are the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer? Okay, they have a taxi charge. Have a taxi charge la pi aki arbenta. Okay, a taxi charges la pi arbenta ka way ka fixed charge. Okay, ka fixed charge nang tapos ka charge per kilometer. Okay, let the fixed charge be x. Nangka let the charge per kilometer be y. Okay. Then for distance of 10 km, the charge paid is 105. Then ka fixed charge kam ong ka fixed charge kumut fixed charge kan top x. Okay, nang ta plus per kilometer per day no Rs 105 na bantaka 10 km distance. For 10 km mut 10 maka ni ka charge jong per kilometer 10y. Okay, nang ta is equal to total taxi charge kare sispa samika kare dai kapanin ko nang ta ko pada sa kabaan. And for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 150. So the fixed charge should be x. Nangta for 15 km, 15y. Nangta 155. So this will be equation 2. Naka equation 1 from equation 1 we obtain niyo naka equation niyo in ra'yo ni minus 10y siya kanigalyang niyo x is equal to 105 minus 10y. Okay, then substitute in equation 2. Okay, then hang ni haja jong x pinto 10 105 minus 10y ay equation 3. Nah tapos niyo 105 minus 10y kaya do x plus 15y is equal to 155. Nang tahang ni pada punya 105 minus 10y, which implies okay, plus 15y is equal to 155. Nang ta pada uni 105 gerak nak sekali kali yang kemudian di plus gerak sini ke minus kemudian punya 155 minus 105. Nang ta pada hang ni pada minus 10y plus 15y punya 5y. Okay, nang dapat deh punya 5y is equal to hani punya 50 tapi minus nang dapat deh punya y is equal to 50 divided by 5. Nang ta punya y is equal to 10. They pilih your y is equal to 10. Do you think value of y in equation 3. Then your x is equal to 105 minus 10 into 10. Your x is equal to 105 minus 10 to 10 100. Then your x is equal to 5. Second part jingkylli pada how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? Tihang ning la yo fixed charge is rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Now charges for 25 km. Te hapo ka taxi charge karon ka fixed charge but ka charge per kilometer. Tehang ni ngila ayo kanu ka fixed charge ka no something ka 5 plus nang ta per kilometer ka dai shpau tahang ni dai 25 km mo 25 into 10. So kan dai na sun plus ars pa sang thau kan dai ars pa sang pesan. A person have to pay 2p rs spa some to 155 for traveling 25 kilometer. Okay, kani answer. Take a jingkylli of sun kaong. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Tino kita ki number bakot fraction. Okay. Take fraction but there. Kita ki number kita nak form jong x by y. Okay. Uni x ki khot un numerator. Nangta uni y ki khot ke denominator. Okay. Take number shubungan sim ux udah 1, y udah 2. Mungkin negative fraction nangta. Lada ux udah 3, y udah 1. Bukan niru kadeka fraction. Okay. Niru di fraction. Tihang ni pada ko ang find new type fraction. Find new kita ki number. Find new uni y. Find new u. Find new x pada uni u. Y. Okay. Let namar bahaka fraction. Aka fraction kita mungkin lagi number. Uni di numerator. Uni di denominator. They let the numerator be x. Nangta let the denominator be y. To question 18, according to question, if 2 is added, number by fraction will be in the form of x by y. Okay. Take on if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. Letangin at hang ni 2, hang ni root 2. Kan 1 x plus 2 but y by 2 kan day by 11, 9 by 11. Okay, I can equation 1. Nang ta ko ang but then if 3 is added, x plus 3 but y plus 3 kan day 5 by 6. I equation 2 from equation 1. Here x plus 2 in cross multiply uni un multiply uni multiply 2 punya x plus 2 into 11 but nang tan 9 into y plus 2. Okay, pin cross multiply nang ta padehang ni 11 into x punya 11x plus 11 into 2 22. Nang ta 9 into y 9y but 9 into 2 2. 9 into 2 18. Okay. Nang ta pada kini number sim saja ka. They punya 11x is equal to 9y plus 18 minus 22. Tihang ni punya 11x is equal to 9y minus 4. Anda pila minus sekini. Tenang ta punya x is equal to 9y minus 4 by 11 ada unsima ini siya kanilang. Nang ta I kini equation 3. Okay. Kani equation 2. Okay. Tipin cross multiply. Rai uni siya kanilang. But rai kani siya kanilang. Okay. Tenang ta punya 6x plus 3. Tenang ta 5 into y plus 3. Nang ta pada punya 6x plus 18. Nang ta pada punya 5y plus 15. Nang ta punya 6x is equal to 5y plus 15 minus 18. Okay. Nang ta punya 6x is equal to 5y minus 3. Nang ta pada putting the value of x from equation 3 in equation 4. Okay. We're going to get equation 3. The punya 6 into x, put your value x 6 into 9y minus 4 by 11 is equal to 5y minus 3. Nang dapat deh punya 54y minus 24 by 11 is equal to 5y minus 3. Nang dapat deh pun rai uni 11 sekali-kalian punya 54y minus 24 is equal to 11 into 5y minus 3. Nang dapat punya 54y minus 24 is equal to 55y minus 33 nang ta pinyo 54y rai unisha kaliang rai unisha kaliang minus 55y. Okay, nang ta pinyo minus 33 plus 24. Okay, nang ta pinyo minus y and that minus only, but nang ta pinyo minus 9. The only minus cancel. Pinyo y is equal to 9. Substitute in equation 3. Equation 3 p x is equal to 9y minus 4 by 11. The 9 into 9 minus 4 by 11. Your x is equal to 81 minus 4 by 11. The 77 by 11. Your value of x is equal to 7. But your value of y is equal to 9. Hence, the fraction is 7 by 9. But we do x, we do y, we do numerator, but we do denominator. Okay? Can you get an answer? Take a simple pesan keong 5 years. Hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are the present age? They udah know Jacob, but kunjung Jacob. So let Jacob age be x. Nang ta let his son age be y. According to question bakat kung jingkylli, Jacob age hadin sansnem after 5 years kan long x plus 5 nang ta his son age hadin sansnem kan 1 y plus 5 hadin sansnem kasnem jong Jacob kan long laisha ya kasnem jong kun kan igre snem jong Jacob x plus 5 hadin sansnem te kalong laisha ya kasnem jong kun. Okay, kaya rangkat kamot pa ukam he laisha uni ukupay kun. Nang ta pinyo x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. Okay, your x is equal to 3y plus 15 minus 5. Pinyo x is equal to 3y plus 10. I have an equation 1. Okay. Nang ta ka second part pada ko 5 years ago. Go Jacob age 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Kan long x minus 5. Nang ta his son age 5 years ago. Kan lay y minus 5. Take on Jacob age was 7 times that of his son. Kasnem jang Jacob 5 x minus 5 mod sans nemen shwa. Kakam he new sha. Ya kasnem jang kun. Tira pin safang ne pin x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus minus 35. Nang ta pin x minus 5. Nang ta pin x is equal to 7y minus 35 plus 5. Nang ta pin x is equal to 7y minus 30. Okay, I have equation 2. Pin value jong x hai equation 1 hai equation 2. Substituting the value of x from equation 1 in equation 2. The pinyo unit 3x saja yung x pinyo 3y plus 10 nangta 7y minus 30 akan kalian. Okay, tenang ta pada pinyo pen rai uni siya ni rai uni akan kalian pinyo 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30 plus minus 30 10. Okay, the pinyo hang ni pinyo minus 4y hang ni pada pinyo minus 40. Okay, now the minus cancel. Pinyo y is equal to 40 by 4. Pinyo y is equal to 10. Okay, now putting the value of y in equation 1. then your x is equal to 3 into nirishpop 10 plus 10. Then your x is equal to 30 plus 10. Then your x is equal to 40. Hence, Jacob age, number Jacob age yung Jacob x is 40 years, and his son is y 10 years. Okay, kanina answer. Then sa kalupat haka next video.